Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an empties video showing you everything that I've used up lately. If you're curious about this makeup look, I will have a tutorial linked down below. I was testing out some new Milani makeup, but today I'm going to be picking through my trash. I know I do these fairly often, but I use a lot of products and I feel like these are helpful, so I hope you enjoy it. If you do, be sure to subscribe, but let's go ahead and get started. Finished up two hair products. The first is from Design Me. This is their Fab Me Mother of All Hair Treatments Multi-Benefit Lotion. So it's kind of like a leave-in. It says it does like any number of things. I liked this for like second day curls, third day curls because it has a nice like light sort of spray on it. It's not heavy enough for me to use on my first day. If I'm really looking to like use a leave-in, I'll generally use something heavier than this. I didn't really love the scent. It's really kind of perfumey in not a good way, so I probably wouldn't repurchase it. Not that it was bad, but it just, didn't really do anything for me. And then I used up the Briogeo Curl Charisma Rice Amino and Avocado Hydrating Shampoo, sulfate-free, silicone-free, and no parabens, made for curly hair, of course. I really liked this. I used up the conditioner a long time ago. It took me much longer to get through the shampoo. Currently using their Don't Despair Repair conditioner and shampoo, which I've really been liking. Not sure which one I like more, but I definitely like this more than that banana one that I tried a while back. But I may give it to the Don't Despair line, but I have to keep testing that one out. I used this up and really loved it. One of my favorite cleansing oils. It's from L'Occitane, and this is their Oil to Milk Facial Makeup Remover. So this is like, you can see it, there's a little bit in there. It's just like a liquidy oil infused with Immortelle and calendula for all skin types, even sensitive face, eyes, lips, and waterproof makeup. I thought it did a great job. Put it on a dry face, rub it in, use it on my eyes, and then incorporate a little bit of water to remove my makeup, then follow up with a cleanser. I thought it was super effective. I don't hear a lot about L'Occitane skincare. I feel like you hear most about, what are they known for? Like, they're known for their skincare, but primarily like hand creams and stuff you hear about. But I really, really like that. They've got a great gel cleanser as well, and the lipsticks that they do are awesome. Oh, also for hair, I used the rest of this up today. There's still a little bit in here, but it's done. This is from the Shu Uemura Mario Brothers collection, but it is their, it's like a full-time product, a permanent product. I'm like, it works full-time. This is, what is it called? It's like their wax. I think it's called the reworkable wax. I use this when I do this with my hair with a ponytail. Super thick. Sometimes I'll add on a little bit of water. It's essentially like a pomade or a super stronghold gel. I really like this. I would definitely use it again. I would love to know though from you what type of product you like for this in these kind of pots, because I have one from the olive oil brand that I like, and I think I've used a Can2 one as well, but I'm due to repurchase because the olive oil brand one is almost also gone too. Is it called olive oil? I love that I'm just asking you all these questions and you can't answer. If you're yelling at the screen, I'm sorry. I used up this mask from Origins. I really like this one. First of all, it's super pretty. It's kind of like this dark black charcoal with gold specks in it, which that's fun to me. This is the Origins Clear Improvement Charcoal Honey Mask to Purify and Nourish. And what I liked about this mask is it purifies and nourished. It's a mask that I think is clay based, or sorry, charcoal. So it has that kind of purifying feeling, but at the same time it doesn't dry down. It doesn't get matte and like crunchy on your face. So it's a good in between if you have a more sensitive skin type, or if you're looking for something that doesn't feel like it dries out your skin. And then from Neutrogena, I finished up one of their Bright Boost gel creams. I love Neutrogena moisturizers. The Hydro Boost is a great one. It's got hyaluronic acid in there and a great moisturizer. This one has some more ingredients in it for actually brightening the skin if you're looking to deal with texture and tone. And it also has, I'm not sure what they put in it, if it's a mica or something, but essentially it has like the instant brightening effects as well. So even when you wear it on your own, your skin looks really good, but it's not like sparkly by any means. From Laneige, I finished up their Water Bank Hydro Essence. This is for all skin types. I love this serum. If you're looking for a great, simple, hydrating serum that you can use day and night, it's lightweight, feels really, really good on the skin. This one from Laneige is beautiful. I absolutely love their skincare. I actually also finished up from Laneige, I talked about in this my Sephora sale video a while back, the Radiant-C Cream to brighten, even tone, and moisturize. This is their moisturizer that has vitamin C in it. It's a great kind of gel cream texture, so it's not lightweight, feels really hydrating, and I love that it had vitamin C in there. And then I also finished up the Drunk Elephant Virgin Marula Luxury Facial Oil. I really liked this. This is one of the first facial oils I tried, but I will say, if you're gonna splurge on Drunk Elephant, I would pick up one of their serums over the oil, just because, I don't know, like I don't know. There's other oils out there that don't cost as much that probably do just as good of a job. It is really nice, like if you get it in a holiday kit or something like that, or if you do really want to try it, there's nothing bad about it, but in my opinion, if I was going to spend money on Drunk Elephant, it would definitely be one of their serums over an oil. Finished up some more skincare. This is the Calendula Kiehl's Herbal Extract Toner, alcohol free. I use this on mornings where I was looking for hydration or if my skin was feeling a little irritated. It had like whole flowers in there as well, and it's for a normal to oily skin type. It helps to gently cleanse and soothe the skin with no harsh ingredients, and it just was a nice sort of after washing step, because some days if I want to use, say, the Drunk Elephant serum that has AHAs and BHAs in there, I don't want to use a toner that has it in there too. So this was nice and calming and hydrating on the skin, really, really lightweight. And then I finished up a Garnier Water Rose Micellar Water. This I primarily used either in the morning to remove light makeup, and I'm not gonna lie, sometimes to clean my desk, okay? If I'm being fully honest with you, that's what I did yesterday. You know, my desk is covered in makeup, so why don't I use the makeup remover to remove it? You know what I mean? This is the Dove Advanced Care Deodorant. It is in, do they say what it is? There's a picture of a pomegranate on it. Nowhere does it say pomegranate, but anyways, I love the Dove deodorants. This is generally what I'll use. Sometimes I use other ones, but I like these because they come in so many scents and I get a new scent every time and it's fun. Then I also finished up the Ordinary Salicylic 2% Acid Mask. I will definitely, 2% acid? Yeah, salicylic acid 2% mask for blemish prone skin. I really like this. I've used it all over my face. I've used it as a spot treatment. It's super effective, very affordable. I think it's like $6.90 or something like that. And it's just a great mask. Speaking of masks, I finished up a couple of sheet masks. Oh, and this I've repurchased. I love it. I think I've talked about it before in an Empties video maybe. This is the Cake Milkmaid Totally to Die For Sugared Cream Body Milk Scrub with Candied Oat Milk Cream. Seriously beautifying. This is freaking delightful. They're a Canadian brand. It's available at Shoppers and Walmart. I can't remember where I repurchased it. I feel like I haven't seen it at Shoppers. Cake is available at Shoppers. I'm not sure. I might have bought it at Walmart. Cruelty-free and vegan. This is so nice. First ingredient is sugar. It's got like a great thick sugar in there, but it's super oily. I use this actually after I've already washed my body, because I'll then put this on, scrub a little bit, and it's got this oily texture that leaves my skin so soft. It's one of my favorite body scrubs ever. And then when it comes to sheet masks, these are all stuck together and dirty. I'm sorry. This is a beautiful high-end sheet mask if you're looking to splurge. From Estee Lauder, the Advanced Night Repair Concentrated Recovery Power Foil Mask. It's the one that has the foil on it, and it does a really good job hydrating. The Advanced Recovery Serum is like a cult favorite for a reason. Really, really beautiful. Estee Lauder makes great skincare. Something more affordable and hydrating, and great if you are looking for a lighter hydrator. If you have an oily skin type, I really love this too. The Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Mask. This is a hydrogel mask, so it has more of like a gel texture, sort of. Less of a sheet, stays on your face really, really well. Then I've yet to be impressed by any of the Life brand masks, and I have no problem with Life brand. Like growing up as a kid, my favorite brand was 725 Original from Walmart. Like I have no problem with house brands, love them. But every mask I've tried from them is not good, and it doesn't feel hard to make a good sheet mask. This has seaweed and ceramides in it. This is probably the best that I've tried from them, but it was still not good. And a brand that I love, and I was so excited when they sent me this sheet mask because I just really love their products, is Dr. Belmer. This is the Intensive Face Mask, Cica Peptide, and I love Cica on the skin. It's really reparative. It's really good for, like, this product is really good for repairing your skin's barrier. They've got so much good stuff. I've talked about them before. And it says it's an intensive face mask with extracted centella whatever, and peptide helps to balance and support the skin's moisture barrier. So really, really nice from them. Then I finished up this, I forgot to include this earlier. This is the Mazzani Miracle Milk. It has 25 benefits. It's a leave-in. I picked this up because this is what I'm like taking my pulse. Am I alive? Am I here? Who's to say? It's for all hair types. It has a nourishing blend of fennel seed oil and sustainably sourced coconut oil. My stylist used this on me. It's a nice lightweight, oh, I gotta sneeze. Only one. Okay. I picked this up at a beauty supply store that is near the Eaton Center. It's on... I hate listing streets because I'm like, is that the intersection or am I talking about two parallel streets? It's on Dundas and Bay, I think, like across from the Canadian Tire. So I don't know the name of that store, but this is where I picked it up. It was $14.99. Really, really like it. It's a good leave-in conditioner. This isn't fully done, but it's pretty much done because I used it so much. It's a little bit, there's only a little bit left at it, and I think the air has gotten at it too much, but this is one of my favorite nail polish colors of all time. Definitely going to use this again. This is the Sally Hansen Good Kind Pure. It's their vegan nail polish, which is awesome, in the shade Almond Tan. I love this shade. If you have my skin tone, I cannot recommend it enough. I've seen other people who have a lighter skin tone, who have a deeper skin tone, who have used it. It's so unique and perfect. I mean, maybe I haven't tried to dupe it, I'm not sure, but to me it's unique. I haven't tried a shade like this. It's just a perfect, like, I think it's just so beautifully neutral with like maybe a little warmth in there. I don't know. It just looks so good on my hands, so I love that shade. And I rarely finish a nail polish, so that means a lot. I finished this up. I've owned this for 100 years. 100, like, I'm not joking. I probably brought this from Newfoundland with me 6 years ago. There's still a little bit in it, but it's kind of like an empty, it's just gotta go. The L'Oreal Infallible Makeup Extending Setting Spray. I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't tell you much about this. I'm sorry, but I will tell you that I finished it and I have repurchased the like current edition of it now that has a blue cap, so I'll have to report back on that. And then I finished up some brow pencils. Drugstore brow pencils are great. This one is one of my favorites, the L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer. I finished up the ColourPop brow pencil, another great one. And then this was an eyeliner from Maybelline. I don't know what I thought about this. I don't think it really, I like their eyeliner that has a curve. That one to me is really good, the Master something or other. Not that this one was bad, but just the style of pen I prefer. The formula on both was great, but this is the Hyper Easy. Oh, that's funny. I find the other one easier. Hyper Easy Maybelline liner. I don't know that I ever knew the name of this. Like, this does not look familiar to me, but the packaging is pretty. It's kind of like a, not an octagon. Not a hexagon. Anyways, that is everything that I have finished up lately. Let me know down below what you have finished up, and as always, if you'd like to connect with me, you can find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at SamanthaJaneYT, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!